Hi, we are from Group FAT. Now we're going to demonstrate about how to use our website about self-service train ticketing system. Now we are in sign up interface and first we have to sign up. For sign up, we check both password and confirm password. So if I put a different password here, which is not matched, it will give us the pop-up. The two passwords do not match. So let's try the new one and the correct one. Okay, now we already go to the login interface, which means our sign up is already successful. Okay, let's try login using the username that we signed out just now. Done login. Now we are in the main homepage. In our main page, there's all the routes, which the main station is Kelonjaro and the final station is at Kanga Place. Okay, now I'm going to talk about booking. For booking, from the main page, here it will show us the train schedule and we have to choose the time and which ticket that we need, and also it display the price. And here it will show us the interface that we have to choose the seat. Okay, and here we also have all the departure, destination and date that we want. So okay, let's choose one. Okay, and if you already choose seat and you want to change the date, you can do it. Just click here. And then the date will be updated here. And then but we have to choose again our seat. Okay, then just click proceed for our booking. And here we are in the booking form interface, so we have to complete first the booking form. Okay, so this is the booking form interface, so we have to complete the booking form first. Then we can choose the three options here: save and submit, which means it just save all the information that we put, or you want to proceed to payment or reserve the ticket. So let's try proceed to payment. Okay, so this is the payment interface. So first we have to choose the payment method that we want. Okay, example, online banking. So we have to choose first our bank that we wanted to use. Example, it will bring us to the bank interface. Okay, let's go back. So if you want to choose credit card, just click here. Okay, we have to put all the information of our card and then click pay. Okay. And if we want to pay using the TrainPay, okay, for your information, TrainPay is one of our website payment method, which, okay, let's click here, which we top up our money in here and get point if we pay using the TrainPay. So this is why if we want to top up and then we choose the payment method. Okay, and if we already have enough balance to pay the ticket, okay, just click pay. Okay, it means this shows our payment is already approved and we already booked our ticket. And click payment receipt to see our payment receipt. Okay, so this is our payment receipt. We can choose to print our payment receipt or not. And if we want to check our ticket, just click here. So we're going to the ticket interface, which is also included the QR code, and it's important for our departure. And if you want to print the ticket, just click print. And from here, you also can cancel the booking, but let's do that later. Okay, let's go back. Now we go back to our main homepage. So let's see the ticket that we booked just now. Yeah. Okay, so this is the ticket. So if we want to cancel the booking, just cancel. And we show that our book ticket has been cancelled. Cool. Let's go back to the main homepage. Alright. So just now we do the booking. Now let's do the reservation. The reservation have the same process as booking. And then choose reserve ticket. So just click here. And we will go back to our main homepage. And if we click here to see our reserve ticket, it will show the reservation. Yes. And if you want to cancel reservation, just click cancel here. But if you want to proceed, just do same as the booking using the three method. And if we want to cancel the reservation, just click cancel. So your reserve ticket has been cancelled. Okay, let's go to main homepage. Okay, in the main page also have the update profile. Here, if you want to put additional information about us and save it, okay, so we already put our additional information and just click save. We are back at our main page, and if we see the video, okay. And we are back to our main page, and if we see the database at user profile, which is where we keep the information about update profile. Okay, so here is what we put. It's already entered the database. Here in the home page also we can see the history, where if we're done with our ticketing blah blah. Okay, now we're back in our main page, and the last one I want to show you is sign out. Okay, we see here. Okay, the sign out is in here, and just click sign out. So it will go back out to the login interface. That's all.